Squad, what's up? It's Miss Brown again. Hope you guys are well. I'm back with another quick step to keep you guys skipping fit the fun way with your skipping ropes. And again, just taking the sights. I'm in Swansea again, and it's just beautiful over there. We've got some brilliant weather and some brilliant people. Yes. So guys, today's thing I'm going to teach you is a very tricky one. I'm going to make it quick, so I'm probably going to shoot another one to help you guys break it down and learn it properly. I'm going to show you how to do double unders. Now, double unders are tricky because they really work your body, they really work your core, and it's a lot to do with the wrist action. You have to get your wrist going round twice as fast as normal, so you get 2 whips of the skipping rope before you jump over. So it's very tricky. I'm going to show you how it's done because it's hard to explain, but to do them it's a matter of timing and literally practice. You see, so these are double unders. Now if you're a beginner, more than likely you're going to learn to jump like this, because first you need to give yourself maximum room to get the rope under your foot as you swing it twice, which is fine. There you go, so that is the double under step. Like I said, it's quite tricky to do, so I will be doing another tutorial on this to really break it down. But all I can say is, honestly, the best way to do this step is you take your time. So first thing, when you're jumping, jump as high as you can. So really lift yourself up, ideally with your legs straight. The worst case scenario, bend your knees, you've got room to give your skipping rope the chance to get under your foot as you swing it around twice. So if you do watch this on YouTube, please subscribe when you've watched it, tell a friend, spread the word. The more subscribers I get, the better content I get to you. As always, skip, dance, live your best life.